Amazon sellers, do you want to boost your sales without spending more? Here are 4 very interesting tips that you can get started with right now in order to increase your sales on Amazon. Are you ready? Let's get started. Yes, these are gonna be quick tips that you can start implementing right now. But before I get going, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we support sellers just like you on Amazon in the Middle East, Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you're looking for help and support with your business, reach out to our team. We can help you get started on Amazon, or we can help you with any problem that you're facing on Amazon, from scaling to advertising or to not having good sales. You can find all the details on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Apply to book a call with the team and to work with us. Now, as a bonus with this video, you'll find all of the details that I'm talking about in this video in a handy dandy downloadable free PDF file. Details in the description box of this video. I also have a few additional tips that I didn't talk about in this video in this PDF file. Make sure you download it. It's free of charge. Starting off with tip number 1, optimize your back-end keywords. So you listen to sellers on Amazon always talk about keywords, not even just sellers on Amazon, also SEO optimization experts talk about keywords and the importance of keywords. Keywords are, of course, very important. Front-end keywords, which customers see, such as the keywords that you add in your title, but also the back-end keywords, which customers don't see, are also very important for indexing. Not necessarily for ranking your product, but more or less for indexing so that Amazon can understand what your product is. Make sure you take full advantage of those 250 characters. Don't stuff more keywords into that section of back-end keywords. Make sure you add as much as possible the right keywords. Don't add the same keywords that you have in your title into the back-end. Amazon already sees the keywords into your title. Add different keywords into your backend. Maybe even add keywords of the same product, but maybe if it's written in incorrect way, sometimes with an I or with a Y, it doesn't matter, like misspelling of particular words. Also, make sure if you're selling in the Middle East to add Arabic keywords into your backend because of the Arabization of the platform. Tip number 2, leverage Amazon's promotions and coupon codes. I always talk about the promo section, the coupon codes. I love those parts. Well, as a customer, I love to see coupon codes and discounts. Of course, who doesn't? But as an Amazon seller, we see that these make a huge difference because the name of the game in digital media, in the digital space that we live in and in e-commerce is attention. And when you add promo discounts, limited time offers, coupons, they do grab customers' attention while they are scrolling quickly to find a product to purchase. So think about adding those regularly onto your listing. Additionally, you can also add the buy one, get one free, or the buy one, get the second at 20% discount, whatever feature which is newly launched on Amazon in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. And it's a really, really cool feature, which I highly recommend that you test it out. And by the way, we've seen that Amazon ads provide better conversion rates for products that are actually discounted with promo codes. You get more clicks and more conversions for the same product that has a discount and one that doesn't have a discount. Tip number 3, if you're still thinking about it, yes, you should be using FBA. If you're utilizing Amazon's FBA delivery system, then number 1, you will have better chances to win the buy box on Amazon. Number 2, you're gonna get many more customers by simply having the Prime badge inserted onto your product page. See, the majority of loyal Amazon customers, the people that you want to purchase your product on Amazon because they constantly purchase on Amazon, are Prime members. And as Prime members, they don't want to pay for shipping. So if your product is using the FBA delivery system, then you have the Prime logo, and then customers will not pay for shipping. Additionally, they will get the product within 1 day of ordering it And who doesn't want that? Yes, it's true. There are FBA fees which are going to be extra. However, the sheer amount of work that Amazon does in order to deliver the products, the customer service, all of that, and they take it so much out of your way, you don't have to worry about it. It's actually a smart decision for you to use FBA. And the last tip, focus on high quality images. Remember, Amazon is a visual platform. And if you just add a couple of images, and they're just like images that you got from your Alibaba supplier, this is not enough information and not enough excitement to get people to purchase your product. Images on Amazon are I'm not going to give you a percentage, but they are the main reason why somebody would purchase your product. So the images need to be a combination of high quality, interesting images combined with images that showcase the uniqueness and fun side of the product. So it's very, very important and essential that you work on those images. And yes, making small, tiny changes every once in a while can give you a little bit of a boost in your sales. Now, one thing that a lot of sellers don't do is adding zoomed in images. And this would be really nice if you're selling things like clothing or tablecloth, where you want to try to explain to the client the quality of the product. So adding like a zoomed in image can be quite interesting so that they can understand the texture and the difference of your product versus someone else's product. And this is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you are subscribed so you never miss another upload. Thumbs up this video, leave me your comments and your questions in the comments section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.